Hey, what's going on, Parker, man? You sent me all those great pictures of the truck you're going to be trading into us. I know pictures are only worth so many words, but a video might put a little bit more justice on this pickup truck that we have for you that you're interested in. So I just wanted to walk around it for you, let you get a better detailed look of it, brother. Just got your spray and liner. The tread on the tires. Again, good tread on the tires, brother. And you said the front end replacement. Pretty clean pickup truck. Get inside and start it up for you. Interior is clean on the inside, brother. I don't see any stains or anything on it. Got your middle console, of course, here. Crank straight up, man. Purrs like a big old kitten, you know? Sounds real good, brother. Nothing up top, man. So, very clean pickup truck, man. Just like anything else, and that way you can put a face to the name. Just like anything else. I mean, a pre-owned truck, diesel with 40,000 miles on it. You know this thing hasn't even been broken in yet. Definitely could last you for quite some time. So hopefully we can figure out a way to make this yours, brother. If you need anything else, you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.